Ike Taylor, MJD, got Heisman Trophy winner, DH, a.k.a. Derrick Henry, 6'2", 247 pounds, ran a 4.5 today. But other than that being impressive, your cone drills was very impressive. How did you feel? I know you had a long day today, but tell me how you feeling now and how was the experience?
The experience was a dream come true. You know, I've been waiting for this opportunity since I was a little kid, and it's finally here. You know, the drills, I've been practicing with Coach Shaw at ESPN World Wide Sports. I'm doing a great job with him, just training every day, trying to get better. So I just want to come out here and show what I can do.
How confident were you, even though you were down there by Coach, transitioning from what you was learning by Coach Shaw, putting it on the field today? Were you that confident?
I was very confident, but, you know, he helped me out and helped me work on the things I need to work on so I can improve. And then when I get here, show what I got. So very thankful for him and helped me improve the way I got today. So
sweet.
Now, well, you had 11 passes caught this year, right? And obviously Lane Kiffin doesn't throw the ball to the back that much. That's something we got to talk to him about because they need to use it back as much as possible. But you came out here and you caught every pass. How was that?
No, I just want to show what I can catch, and that's one of the questions. I just want to show I can come out here and catch the ball and show I got good hands, and that's all I wanted to do. Didn't get many opportunities out of Alabama, but never question that. They're great coaches and great players, so just one opportunity. I'm glad I came out here and competed.
When you were coming out of high school, it was a lot of talk. You were committed to Georgia. Everyone thought you were going to Alabama to play outside linebacker, but you got a chance to play running back. Was that something that Coach Saban talked to you about and something that you always wanted, or was there a chance where you were going to go play outside linebacker there at Alabama?
Never got recruited by any school to play any other position besides running back.
Really?
And that was a speculation people thought they heard, but never got recruited as any other position but running back. And got recruited by Alabama as a running back, and that's what I played there.
I'm drafting Derrick Henry. What am I getting from a Derrick Henry? What is he bringing to the table for my organization?
I'm going to work hard every day, 110%. Nobody's going to outwork me. I'm spending overtime on the field and off the field, in the film room, being a student of the game, being coachable, wanting to learn, ask questions, and just be a leader of the team and help my organization win games and possibly a Super Bowl.
Guess what? I got opportunity to train and work out with this guy.
That's the man right here. Still can play to this day.
Thank you. So it's been an honor, let alone just coming to the 2016 Combine. Ike Taylor, MJD, Derrick Henry. You're going to see a lot of this guy. His future is brighter than these lights behind the cameraman.